Hi children, how are you today? It's Abby from Mini Musicians. I hope you're having a really good day. Oh look, I've seen some birds here. Shall we count them together? 1, 2. There are 2 birds on the wall. 2 little dicky birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter. Fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter. Come back, Paul. Here they are. Can you hear their song? Two little dicky birds sitting on the wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter. Fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter. Come back, Paul. Bye.